Good morning, students. I hope you all did test well. I think so. You submitted your test papers also, I think. So I'll correct it and I'll give marks next class. Okay, next class means next Wednesday you can come and collect your papers or see your marks, whatever. Okay, now today, last class I started new lesson and I explained. I gave introduction about properties of whole number. Okay, now today I'm going to start exercise. So before that, see, I told you already, few means you can do it in textbook. If you have textbook, take page number 17 and write answer in textbook. If you don't have textbook, copy in rough note. As soon as if you get textbook, you can complete it. Okay. So we'll do in textbook 2 minutes. I'll solve this. Then I'll give 2 minutes time. You can copy in your rough note or textbook. Okay. Now don't copy in textbook. First listen. So now this is form of exercise. See, already I taught you in addition, closure property, associative property, and commutative property. In closure property, what I thought, if you add any two whole number, always the answer is whole number in addition. Today I'm going to teach only about addition. So keep that in your mind. This is what closure property. Commutative property, if you add any two whole number, see, if you change the order, a plus b is equal to b plus a, you will get the same answer. It won't affect for this one. Associative property means grouping the number. A plus b plus c is equal to c plus a plus b plus c. So however, if you group, you will get. So here, associative closure property, commutative property, associative property, all three properties are what closed under addition. All three properties are closed under addition. Now we'll see this. So here, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, no, it is equal to 7. So what you should write here? 0. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now both the sides we made it equal. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one rhombus shape is there. 3 triangle shape. It is equal to 3 triangle shape plus what? 5 rhombus shape you should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both the sides are equal. Clear? Now we'll come for numbers. Then you can understand easily than shapes. Now here 34 plus 11 is equal to dash plus 14. So 34. So 34. See here, already I told you. In addition, if you change the order also, commutative, you will get same answer. So 34 plus 11 is equal to 11 plus 34. 11 plus 34. Clear? Now in this, 2000 plus 800 plus what is equal to this side? Dash plus 8,000, 3,000. So what number will come? You should balance both. You should equalize. So 8,000, here also 8,000, here also 8,000. Here 2,000 is there, here 2,000 is not there. So you write 2,000 here. So now 2,000 both the sides we wrote. So here 3,000 is there, now here no 3,000. So write 3,000. Now both the sides equal. So 2,000 plus 8,000, 10,000, 13,000. This side also 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 30. Got it? Now both the sides are equal. So this is which property? 3 numbers are there. Associative property. If you change the order also, it won't affect commutative property. Here also commutative property. If you regroup, see this is associative. This is also commutative only. So now 27 plus 39 plus dash is equal to 27 plus dash and dash. So this is associative property. How to grow this one, make it equal. 27, 27, yes. 39, here 39 is not there, so you can take 39. So here 10 is not there, you write. Now both are equal. Clear now how to write? Now here, this is Roman number, 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 20 plus 9, this is 9, plus what gives here? 20 plus dash 100. So here this side 100 is not there, so you write here 100. So what is so here also you should write what is the 100? 9 is not there. So now 20 plus 9 plus 100. 20 plus 9 plus 100. So now both the sides are equal. 300 plus dash gives 300. 0. 0 is what? Sorry, additive identity. Now last sum 9,001. Here also 9,001. Here 9,01,001. 9,01,001 is there. Which number is missing? 9,001 is missing. Clear now? This is warm up. It's in page number 17. Those who are having textbook, write only answer. Others copy question and write answer and keep in rough note. Again, I won't give this and all into PDF. No need to copy in classwork. It's textbook work. You should do it only in textbook. I'll give 2 minutes time. Copy up fast. Do it in textbook. See here, page number 17, warm up. It's there. You complete your answer. Then after that, take page number 19. If you have textbook, take page number 19, or else I'll give question, you copy in rough note. Yes, I hope you all copied. Now I'll go to next. Just I'll rub one and copy question. Page number 19. This is also textbook work. Page number 19, question number 1. Fill up. Just I'll copy question. One by one I'll rub and I'll copy question. By the time you can also complete. So fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Textbook work, don't write in classwork. You will get classwork PDF. This you copy in rough note. Afterwards, as soon as you get your textbook, now you can complete this. 28,596 plus 3 is equal to dash plus 28. No, answer you should get. Afterwards, I'll explain how to write this. Second one, 646 plus 20. 3,85,499 plus 0 is equal to dash. Next, first sum, second sum, third sum. Open the bracket. 3,854 plus 54 close 389 equal to 3,854 plus open the bracket dash plus 389 close the bracket. Then fourth question. Fourth one. Question number 4, 539 plus 438 plus, close the bracket, 501 equal to dash plus, open the bracket, dash plus 501, close the bracket. Okay, this is the question. I hope you all copied this first page 17. So I'm going to rub this. Now here same, by using those properties you should fill. So here 28,596 plus 3 is equal to dash. So if you wanted to make both the sides equal means what? You can change here 3, here 28,590. Because if you change the order also, it won't affect the result. So both the sides are equal. So that is commutative property, this property. Okay, and now here 3,85,499 plus 0 gives what? Already I told you 0 property. If you add any number by 0, you will get same. The number itself. So what? 3,85,499. This is the answer. Clear? Now here, grouping. So which property immediately it should take on your mind. So this is associative property. So here, 3,854 plus 54 plus 389 is equal to what is there? So this number 3,854 is there. Then 389 is also there. 54 is not there. Now you write, then now it's both the sides are equal. Same like that, associative only. This is also. So 539 plus 438 plus 501. So two numbers are missing. Only 501 is here. So remaining two you should write. So you can take this number or this number, whatever first. So take 438 plus 531. Now both the sides are equal. Now you copy this in textbook. If you don't have textbook, that's what I copy in rough note. Copy question and write rough note. Don't come and complain textbook is not there. Mom is giving in textbook. It's not. See, if you have textbook, copy in textbook. If you don't have textbook, copy in rough note. As soon as if you get textbook, you can complete this work. Okay. Next main, well, classwork work. Okay. Now second question. Well, I'll give 2 minutes time to copy. Copy fast. Now exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Today I'm going to complete exercise 2.1. See the children textbook, many questions are there. I'll select and I'll give which are the very important questions I'll do. Now 2.1, question number 1, find the missing digits. Question 1 already we did in textbook. So, but even though I'll give in classwork question number 1 only, but actually it's the second question. Find the missing digits. Find the missing digits in their in these addition sums. In these addition sums, then reverse the order and add the number again, the numbers again. See if you get the same result. Okay, this is a heading. First I'll read heading, then I'll copy question. What you should do, find the missing digits. You should find the missing digit. Then what you should do, then reverse order. You should add and check whether you will get same result or not. Okay, now questions, I'll copy first one question. 29-7 plus 324 dash. This is the question, okay? So here also. Six one six three. Okay. First, what you should do, once again I'll read, fill in the missing digits. You should fill the missing digits in these addition sums. Okay. Then reverse the order. Reverse the order means what? Upside down you should do. First number second, second number first. Then again you add. See if you get the same result or not, you should check. First we'll write missing number. So here, first step, you should start always from Ones. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So if you come thousand from start from right side, definitely left side it will wrong. So you should start always from ones. 7 plus what number gives 3? 7 plus what number if you add, you will get 3. So what number you will get? 7 plus what gives 3? Here 3 should come. So here 7 plus what number? If you add, you will get 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus this one, 8. 7 plus, you should go for more than 2 digit it should come. Then only 13, 1 carry you can go. 7 plus 6 gives 13. 7 plus 6 gives 13. So here 6. So now 1 carry over, you got it. Now in this place, 4 plus 1, then you will get 6 here. So what number you should add here? 4, 5, 6 means 1. So now 4 plus 1, 5, 6. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 3 plus 3, 6. What did we miss? We wrote missing number. See how to write missing number. See what number if you add, you will get 3. So you can't go for less than 7. Because if you go for more than 7, you will get more numbers. So you should check less than 7 only. 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 3 is what, 10. So you won't get 3 here in one's place. So 7 plus 5, 12, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3, 1 carry you should take here. So 1 carry over is there, 1, 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5. You should get 6. So add 1 more. So here 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 9, 10, 11, 1 carry, 3, 6. Now we wrote missing digits over. Now what you should do, reverse order. Take first number this, 3, 2, 4, 6. Then next 2, 9, 1, 7. Now add and check. See you get the same answer result or not. So we add 6 plus 3, 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 1. Yes, 1 carry. 3, 6. Yes, we got same result. So if you change the order also, we'll get same result. This is which property? Commutative property, same result. Result what? It won't affect the result. Clear now? See, like this you should do. Okay, first write missing number, then check whether it's correct or not. Then reverse order you write, then you will get same result or not. You check. Yes, we got it. What? Same result. Okay, or same answer. However, you can write. Clear now? So I'll teach you one more, something you can understand easily. Now question number 2, same meaning. Question number 2. 6 dash dash 9 dash 7 dash 4 here answer 3 3 3 3 3 1 3 3 3 3 1. Okay, you should get this answer. So what number? See, first you start from once, I told you now 10,000. So here 9 plus 3 is what? 13, 3, 1 carry over. So here which two number if you add, you will get 3. Understand? Which two number if you add, you will get 3. Now here also they are given number. 5. Yeah. Here no dash, here they are given number 5. Yes. Here which number if you add, you will get 3. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 6 plus what number if you add, you will get 3 here. 3 means what? More than 10. So here 6 plus what gives? 6 plus 7 is 12. 13. Yeah, 7 you can go. So now 13, 3, 1 carry over. 1 carry plus 7 is what? 8. You should get here also 13. So what number you should write? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5. If you add 5, you will get what? 7 plus 12, 13. Yes, 3, 1 carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus what number if you add, you will get 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7. Clear now how to write missing numbers? So here 5, 7, 7, 7. Yes. 13 you should get, no? Oh, your carry over is there. So 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. We are now reverse order. You write it and check. Reverse order 6, 7, 7, 4 plus 6, 5, 5, 9. 9, 10, 13, 1 carry 8, 8 plus 13, 1 carry 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry 6 plus 6, 12, 13. Yes, we got the same answer, same result. Okay, still 2 more sums are there. I'll give us homework to do it yourself. If you have textbook, you can do HW in textbook only, or else you copy in homework book, assignment book and do. So same main, you copy heading this today's assignment. I'll give questions here. 6 homework question. I'll rub this and only. Homework. Same main homework. So in textbook 4 questions are there. I give 2 sums. I'll give 2 as homework. Now 2, 8, 6, dash, dash, 5, 3, 2, here, 6, 9, 3, 1, 1. Okay. This is one sum. Second sum is 2 dash dash 8. 2 dash dash 8 plus 9, 7 dash 2, 0, 6, 7, 1, 1. Okay, this is homework question. You should do it yourself. I'll give 2 minutes time, copy in assignment. Notes you will get, no need to copy this. You copy this heading and copy those 2 questions in assignment book. If you have textbook, you can mark those 2 sums are homework in textbook itself, then you can copy. If you don't have textbook, copy this in assignment book and do it. Okay, now next question. Same exercise, question number 3. In each, question number 2, in each combine the numbers, in the most convenient manner, in the most convenient manner and add them. Question 646 plus 23 plus 854. Okay, this is one question. First I'll solve this. See here, first I'll read heading. In each combine the numbers in the most convenient manner and add them. See here, you should add these 3 numbers they are given. Okay, so you can arrange already, you know, addition. However, if you add, you will get what? Same answer. You know, so you can arrange most convenient manner. See, a convenient means what? When you will feel easy addition. If it comes 0, 0, you will in unit place, 100 place, you know, it's very easy to add. Yes or no? You feel better. See, for example, 745 plus 367. Or you can 700 plus 6,000. Is it easy? Which sum you feel very easy? 0 comes, it's very easy, no? So you can arrange this sum also. Same manner, which convenient manner and do. See, for that you should see unit place. Which two number if you add, you will get 0 in unit place. For example, if you add 6 and 3, 6 plus 3, you will get 9 in unit place. So 6 and 4, if you add, you will get 10 in unit place. Yes or no? So 0 comes in unit place. So you can arrange like this. First this and this. Underline and see 1 or 2 sums if you do, you will get idea. So first we'll add these two, then we'll add them. 646 plus 854 plus 23. Got it? We change the order, that's all. Numbers and all same, we change the order. First add these two, then add that. If you add the 646 plus 854, 0, 1 carry, 9, 0, 1 carry, 8, 15. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. So you got 1500 plus 23. So if you add 23 for this, it's so simple, 3, 2, 5, 1. So what is the answer? 1523. So here we arrange our convenient, means what? Which two number if you add, you will get, you can do calculation easily. So only we should learn properties. Here we can use property here. Which property you use? Change the number. However, if you want, if you change the this one addition number, first number, second number, first also, it won't affect the result. So instead of adding first this number, second this, you can add these two, then you will get zeros. This one 1500 plus 23, you will get the answer. Clear? First step, you should see which two numbers if you add, you will get 0 in unit. Clear? Now here 6 and 3, you will get 9. Or 4 and 3, if you will get 7. So we can't go these two. 6 and 4 gives 10. So you can group these two and then see one more sum I'll solve, then you can understand. So next question. The 4 numbers I'll take and I'll show how to group. See, for example, if the question is like this, 286 plus 742 plus 214 plus 258 plus 100. So if you don't know property, what you will do, just you will add all the number, 286, 200, all numbers, then add. So you can arrange this in the convenient manner. See here, first you check in unit place, 6, 2, 4, 8, that's 0. You no problems, 100 you can add easily, so no need to take 100. So here, now which two number if you add, you will get 0 in unit place. 0 in unit place. So now we'll go for 6 and what gives 10, 6 plus 4. So we'll take these two in one group, 6 plus 4. One group, then 2 and 8 gives 10. So we'll take these two. You can use color pencil while copying in classwork. These two one group. See here I use color. These two one group. That means you add these two number first, then these two number next, then you add 100. Then you will get, you do easily. So first we'll go 286 plus 214. Okay, one group plus 742 plus 258 plus 100. So first we'll add these two, then we'll add these two, then add 100. Now this one 286 plus 214. So 0, 1 carry, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5. We got how much? 500 for this, equal to 500 plus, now add these two. 700 and this and all you should do in working column. 42 plus 258. 0, 1 carry, 0, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1000 plus 100. So now next step, no need to go for that writing number and all. 1000 plus 500, 1500 plus 100, 1600 is the answer. Clear? 1600 is the answer. See here, we arranged our convenient manner and we did easily. Instead of writing all the numbers, adding and all. Understand? So this is what easy and quick method we can do. This one properties made our what calculation very easy. Understand? So next question. The odd and even number I will teach. Now first I'll explain odd and even number, then I'll go for this exercise. You all learned odd and even numbers in lower class only. Odd numbers and even numbers. Yes or no? What is odd numbers? Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and all it goes odd number. Even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So even numbers are exact divisor of 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get what remainder 0. But if you go for odd number, if you divide by 2, you will get remainder as 1. So odd numbers are what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and all. Like this it's going on. No end. Then even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and all. So this one, even numbers, what? If divisible by 2, then odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Clear? Now, if you add any two odd number, you will get what the answer. We'll see now. We'll take any two odd number. So 9 is odd number, plus 7 is also odd number. So if you add both odd number, you will get what? 9 plus 7 gives 16. This is even number. You understand? Odd number. We got answer what? Even number. So I'll take two even numbers. So even number, 30 even number plus 12 is also even number. So here, if you add, you will get 40. So even number, what we got? Even number. You understand? So here two odd number, if we add, we will get what? Even number. If you add two even numbers, you will get even number. I'll take one odd number and one even number. So this 10 is what? Even plus 5 odd numbers. So what we got? 15. So even, odd, we got answer even. Are you getting? See, wait, I'll give one more example. So I'll take odd number plus even number. Odd number I will take 7 plus even number 6 or 8. What I will get? 15. Odd number. So what you understand this one, if you add two odd number, the answer is always even. So if you add two even number, the answer is always what? Even number. But if you take one even, one odd, you will get odd number. If you take one odd and one even also, you will get odd number. Clear? If you always it will. So two odd number, odd plus odd equal to even. Then even plus even equal to even. One odd and one even equal to odd. One even plus one odd number equal to odd. You understand? If you take two odd number, the result is always even. So if you take two even number, the result is always even number. If you take one odd and one even, odd number. If you take one even and one odd number also, we'll get odd number as a result. Clear? Now in this question, third question, what they are given? Write any two digit. Question number 3. Write any two digit number, any two digit odd numbers and add them is the sum odd or even. What is the question? You should write any two digit number. You should take any two digit number. You know, two digit number starts from 10 to 99. You can take any two digit odd number. You should take odd number means what? 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. Then add that and see is the sum answer. After adding, you will get odd number or even number. So what you should take any two odd numbers. Any two odd numbers you take. So we'll take here 13 is odd number, 25 is also odd number. If you add here odd number plus odd number, what you will get? 13 plus 25 5. So what? 8, 3. So 38 is what number? Even number. 38 is what number? Even number. What we got odd here, if you add two odd number, we'll get answer as even. So your sum is what? Even or odd? Even. Clear now? Are you getting? The sum is what number? Even number. So if you take any two, not only this, I'll give one more example. We'll take 7. 7 is which number? Odd number. Plus 3. So odd number plus odd number will get 10. 10 is what? Even number. If you two-digit number, now we'll take 17 and 23. So 17 and 23 is what? 17 plus 23 gives 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 2, 3, 4. 40 will give. 40 is what number? Even number. Any two odd number, if you add, you will get answer is what? Even number. Clear now? Next question. Only this much is the answer for this. Now next, fourth question. Write any two three-digit even numbers and find their difference is the answer odd or even. Okay, same. Now here two-digit we took odd number. Here three-digit even number. Write any two three-digit even number. You should take any two three-digit even numbers and find their difference. Difference means what? Subtract. Is the answer is odd or even? We'll take two even numbers. Any even number you will take. In notes are given for 756 minus 242. Okay. So here this is what? Even number. So we'll see the difference. See why I took subtraction sign? Because difference. So here subtract. Here sum. So we added. Okay. Now difference 756. This and all you should do it in working column. Minus 242. Now 6 minus 2 gives 2. 5 minus 4 gives 1. 7 minus 2 gives 5. 512. So this is what number? Even number. Are you getting? See here, if you subtract two even number also, we'll get what? Even number. Got it? What is the answer? Is the answer is odd or even? The answer is what? Even number. Even number. Clear? Now next question. Question number 5. Fifth one, add each of the following and check your answer. Check the answer by adding them again. Adding them again in different order. Okay. Now we'll go for question is this. 42061 plus 398 plus 4552 786. So this is the question. So what is this? Add each of the following and check the answer by adding the them again in different order. First we'll take first number first, 42,061, then 398, then here 6, 8, 7, 2, 5, 4. This is one order. Okay. So first number, second number, third number. Now next I will take this number as first, 4,52,786. Then I will take this number, 42,061. Then last I will take 390. So now I change the order. But I'll add here also. Whether we'll get same result or not, we'll check. So here, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 15, 5, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. See, we can go like this. It's easy now. 10, 18, 19, 20, 24, 2 carry. So far, 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry, 5, 9, 4. Okay, now we'll come here. 9, 10, 15, 1 carry, 9 plus 10, 18, 19, 20, 24, 4, 2 carry, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry, 5, 9, 4. Yes. Now the answer is what? Same. The answer is what? Same. It won't affect the answer. So what is that? Different order. Check the answer is same or different. So what you should write? Same answer, same result. What we got? Same result. So it's still only one more sum is there. I'll finish that. Okay, if you change what you should understand, if you add, you will get same answer. Okay, last question, sixth one. Find the answer. Find the answer using the most convenient. Already we did no same method. Most convenient arrangement. Okay. Now 1207 plus 301 plus 4,793. So same. Last main I did not like that. You should see ones place first. Which two ones if you add you will get which one? Unit place 0. Now 7 plus 1 8. No, we can't. 3 plus 1 also no. But we can 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So we'll take first these two numbers. 1207 plus 4,793 plus 301. First we'll add these two, then we'll go for this. 1207 plus 4,793. Now 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1 carry, 0, 1 carry, 9, 10, 0, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6. We got it 6,000. So 6,000 plus 301. You can, instead of going back, you can do it here only. 6,000 plus 301 is what? 6,301 answer. Okay, we can go actual without actual addition. Clear now how to solve, how to use property. This is properties of addition over. Next class I will do subtraction. Okay, based on exercise 2.2. That are based on subtraction sums. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.